Did you know YouTube has a privacy setting that allows other people to mention your account in videos, comments, posts, and descriptions? Sometimes without you even noticing. If you want more privacy and control over your account, you can turn this feature off in just a few steps. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the gear icon in the top corner to open your YouTube settings. Inside Settings, look for the Privacy section and tap on it. Now scroll a little until you find the option called Allow Users to Mention Me. This setting controls whether other people can tag or mention your YouTube account in titles, comments, video descriptions, community posts, and more. If you don't want random users or channels mentioning your account, simply turn the toggle switch off. Once disabled, people will no longer be able to mention your account publicly on YouTube. This can help reduce spam mentions, unwanted attention, and random tags from videos you may not want associated with your profile. And that's it. A quick privacy setting that many YouTube users don't even know exists. But it can make your account feel much more secure and private.